In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search in Apollo I/O. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser. Make sure you're using a browser that you're comfortable with and that it's up to date for the best experience. Once you have your browser up and running, head over to the search bar and type in Apollo I/O. Apollo I/O is a powerful tool that can help you find crucial contact and company information, so this is an essential step. After searching for Apollo I/O, you'll see the official website pop up in the search results. Click on it, and you'll be directed to their homepage. Here, you'll need to log in either using your email or through a single sign-on method. It's up to you to choose the option that suits you best, depending on how your account was initially set up. Once logged in, you'd want to navigate to the People tab. This is where all the magic begins. Clicking on the People tab gives you access to an incredibly useful feature, the Filters panel. The Filters panel will be crucial as it allows you to specify your search criteria right down to the last detail. Here, you can begin your search by entering specific names or companies directly into the search bar. If you want to refine your search and get more specific results, make full use of the available filters. You can narrow down your search based on various attributes such as job title, location, company size, revenue, industry, and more. This level of depth is one of the reasons Apollo I/O stands out as a tool. What's fantastic is how each filter you apply will work in tandem with others. This means you can combine multiple filters to hone your search results even more. For instance, perhaps you're looking for companies within a certain industry, but specifically in a particular location. Or maybe you're interested in individuals with a specific job title within businesses of a particular size. By layering these filters, you can achieve laser-focused results that meet your specific needs. If you stumble upon a search combination that works particularly well, Apollo I/O allows you to save it for future use. This is a real time saver, as it means you can revisit the same search without having to set everything up from scratch. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll become adept at navigating Apollo I/O and finding the data you need efficiently and effectively. Don't forget to explore the different features Apollo I/O has to offer, which can make your search even more productive. Thank you for watching, and happy